With impulsivity, it's a decision that is sort of predicated on a sort of instantaneousness.
So you have to have form and formless.
I heard that you are also
nervous. Are you nervous?
You gotta. I've never been told I have a cute nose.
This was a complete disaster. And I think it was extraordinary too.
We don't even know if it recorded.
We're all pulsating. We're not dog chilling.
No, I'm not. I've watched your show for years.
Even if you look at it from a parapsychological approach.
I show you I have my online subricate.
What's that?
It's pretty on the nose.
Pretty so cool, you know?
I can assure you.
You don't have to.
Intuition are often
People say I have a cute nose.
where you can play me
Every day I shoot.
sort of
All the
intersubjectivity.
freaking caps.
My views a bit to the theta or the show, which is the called reality, to
I wish you would.
Kind of create a little equilibrium.
or the beta to the.
You just feel like a.
Do it all.
I have five suede.
I feel you.
The same underwear from 3 weeks ago. Well, they just can't do anything.
Let me ask the question.
A psychological approach.
You remember you have atletism or animism implementers.